Hi everybody, Yvonne Henderson with Tahitian Blue, Anti-Aging Skincare. I am product demoing for you today our Pumpkin Exfoliating Mask. I am applying this on half of my face. The other half of my face you can see is all made up. This half is getting this pampered, I will say, by this wonderful exfoliating mask that cleans so deep. It's wonderful. Just a little bit goes a long way, as you can tell, and I may have overdone it. I always do my neck and my décolleté as well, and sometimes my arms, but I want to demo this for you today so you can see what a deep clean our beautiful pumpkin mask gives you. It's perfect for acne skin. It's perfect for anti-aging, reversing sunspots, age spots, any hyperpigmentation that you might have, as well as acne scarring. And you can see the little beads in it, and you can see by my towel it has really taken off quite a bit of makeup. Really gives a nice deep cleanse, and I love the way it feels. It has like a little warming, tingling sensation in it. So I know it's doing its job enzymatically, has papaya and pumpkin, and so it really gives you an extra boost of enzymatic power. Drives deep down into your pores, removing dirt, debris, oil, minimizes blackheads, and really helps eliminate them altogether. So probably rubbing just a little bit too hard, but I want to make sure that it's all off so that you can see it. So we have a nice little pink tone to my skin, which will calm in just a few seconds. I like that because what that tells me is that it has just done its job very nicely. It has deeply cleansed my skin. As you can tell, I have a nice glow to my skin. It has brought up the fresh oxygen, started moving that around my skin. Blood to the surface, all the good stuff that we want for nice, healthy, younger, glowing skin. And it just feels so soft. It feels so, really cleans well. And it smells like pumpkin pie, which is super delicious. So I'm going to dry this side off, make sure it's tap, not rub. And then you can see, so this side of my face has a full makeup on since I've been shooting videos all day. This is the last video of the day, so I wanted to demo this. So here I am with full makeup on, and then this side has no makeup on, and my skin, and so you can see the pinkness has eliminated. Such a wonderful product for deep cleaning. Your skin feels so soft and smooth. Just feels so good. In fact, so good I'm going to do the other side in just a minute, but you can see that all the redness is gone. So it's done what it needs to do. It's very active. It's a wonderful mask. I could have left it on and gone and had a glass of wine and did whatever I needed to do and then remove it. You can also leave it on in the shower if that's the first product you apply in the shower. You can leave it on and then rinse. It rinses off very easily. Just a super great product, our Pumpkin Exfoliating Mask. You too can get this nice, beautiful glow to your skin at www.tahitianblue.com for our Pumpkin Exfoliating Mask.